Hey guys, so I'm in the midst of packing or just like getting started doing it. I'm actually leaving for Dallas in a few days. I might have mentioned that in a previous video, but one thing that I know you guys don't know about me is that I hate to pack. It's only a 4-day trip, so I have to start. I leave Saturday, today's Monday. I did step one yesterday, and that was take my suitcase out of the attic, which is right here, and it's just chilling on my floor. This is just the three things that I'm taking: just a suitcase, a backpack, and then just like an everyday bag. I'm thinking of possibly doing, because I don't usually pack like this, but I'm thinking of packing outfits. Normally I just take like whatever that I like at the moment. Right now I think it's about like high 80s in Dallas, so that's great because it's summer weather and I don't have to pack up my suitcase with jackets and stuff because I'm only doing a carry-on. I think I'm gonna do like a couple pairs of shorts, maybe like a few skirts and stuff, because it's smaller pieces of clothing so I can have more option. If I'm taking like bulkier things, like if it's like a winter trip, then I definitely would be a little bit more careful with packing like outfits and not just clothing, because I mean I have to, especially like on short trips to save space because I only do a carry-on like I said. I'm just gonna go into my closet, just see, you know, like what I can pull out at the moment, try to put some things together, because even though I did say that I'm going to like just pack a couple of like each thing, like shorts and like skirts and stuff, I still want to make sure that whatever tops I put together, it looks good. So I'm gonna semi-pack outfits, but I'm just pretty much gonna pack like a bunch of stuff. And just to show you, I usually have some plastic bags here because I do not put like just bare shoes into my suitcase to touch everything. I think that's absolutely disgusting, and each pair of shoes must go in a plastic bag. So on this side, I used to pack like all of the shoes would be over here and like clothing and stuff would be on this side, but now I've found that it's way, for me at least, it's way more efficient to put all of my like shoes and stuff, like random stuff, on this side, and then all of my clothing goes under here because I can pack it in tighter. Even if I want to take a little bit more, it won't take up as much room, so that's where I'm putting everything here. I have a set of packing cubes. I only use this one for like underwear and stuff, and like sleeping clothes, and then all of my daytime stuff just go like in here. I don't really use the whole packing cube anymore because I feel like I can just roll everything, and this is like, this compartment here is like a packing cube itself. As long as I fit all of my clothes just on this side, I know I'm good. So I don't worry about using a larger cube for that. This is just because, I mean, clearly it's a little bit more delicate clothing that goes in here, so I just want to keep that all contained. And I leave this in my suitcase as well. It is a dirty laundry bag which came with the rest of the packing cubes. I think this was in a set of like either 4 or 5. And yeah, so this is an old bag. I'm not very concerned with what I'm taking with me just to carry every day, so I just pull this one out. I can like condense it super tiny into the suitcase. This is just an old bag that I had from H&M, and it's just like one zip, and then you can just dump everything in it. And for the plane, I just have my Herschel backpacks, so this would be my personal item, I guess. And yep, it's just Herschel. It has one big zip here, and then it's just a laptop compartment inside. I usually just travel with like my iPad and phone, of course, but in terms of electronics, usually, like I said, I travel light with electronics because I just don't want to be bothered with having to like always think about, especially in like hotels and Airbnbs and stuff, whether my stuff is safe. So I think it's best for me most of the time just to leave it at home. So yeah, that's all I'm taking in terms of like baggage. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the clothing that I will pull out and possibly put together some outfits. I'm not sure yet, and I'll take you guys along on the packing process. So this is the state of my progress right now. Really none. I have these two sandals that I brought out. This one I just wear every summer. It's pretty much like a staple shoe. This one is just a flat. It's from J. Crew. And then these sandals right here, I really like them. They're really cheap. They're just a platform wedge. And this is the current condition of my bed. I really didn't focus on anything else except for bottoms. I just have this black skirt and just a couple pair. I'm definitely not taking all of these, but I just have a couple pairs of shorts. These are some of my favorites. This is from J. Crew as well. It's a navy blue with the scalloped ends, and then it just has stars all over it. And this is definitely my favorite pair of shorts for the summer. This one was from Cotton On. And yeah, it's just a very simple pair. And then I just have a long pair of black jeans and a pair of blue jeans, a long pair, and another pair of black shorts. This one has just distressing. And then I have this simple, just a white pair of jeans. I'm probably not going to wear these because, to be honest with you, they're kind of tight and it's going to be pretty warm, and I just feel like that's like sweat waiting to happen. So yeah, this is just one top that I have. They're just like nicer ones. This one ties in the front, and this is just a nicer skirt. So that's it. I'm gonna come back soon and let you guys know what else I decide to bring out. Guys, I did it. So I actually managed to pack outfits and not just clothing. Mine is just these couple things over here, just because these are some pieces that I just actually really want to take just in case, and then I'm able to switch them out with anything that I have here. So I have 6 outfits. I have this black skirt with this red top, a nicer top with a skirt, this jean skirt, and a white top, which I'll probably wear on Monday during the day because I'm going from Saturday to Tuesday. And this one's actually for Sunday afternoon. I know it's a different day, clearly I'm wearing a different shirt. But yes, I did pack an outfit for Sunday afternoon because I don't know if I mentioned it before, but we're going horseback riding into a ranch. I don't know if you guys watched the Dallas TV show, neither did I. The only reason we're going is because my sister wants to go, but I mean it should be fun. But we're riding horses, and I don't know if it's just me, but I kind of want all my legs to be covered riding a horse. That's why I have a long pair of jeans and just this top. And then for Sunday night, this is like a blouse, a button-down blouse with these shorts. And for Monday, I have this like leopard kind of top with a white skirt. And then, like I said, anything here, just this black pair of jeans, this crop t-shirt, and this shirt, and these pair of, like, they're soft pants, but they're shorts. Any of these can be switched out with anything that I have here. Literally just trying to pack efficiently, and even though I do have extra stuff, I think it's pretty efficient because sometimes you might be dead set on like wanting to wear a certain outfit, but then you get to wherever you're going and then you're not feeling it anymore and you just want to switch it up. So I don't have too many extras, just 2 pairs of pants and 2 tops. So I think that's pretty good. And now it's just time to fit this all into my suitcase. Okay guys, so that is all of the clothing right in there. I'm also pretty sure I mentioned it before how I used to use all these packing cubes. I just use one for my undergarments, and every other piece of clothing just fits pretty well right in here. And of course it's only a carry-on, so I don't need that much for 4 days, of course, but I'm pretty happy with the way everything fits snugly just in this front section of the suitcase. So yeah, I'm pretty good with that. Now it's just to move on to the rest of the stuff. which I will come back to show you guys possibly later today, most likely tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, for now, I'll see you guys in a bit. I am finished. This is everything except for my toiletries, because this is just going to go into my backpack for easy access going through security and stuff. But this is everything. So I have, like I said, every single pair of shoes individually goes into its own plastic bag. So I have my makeup pouch, which also has most of my toiletries in it as well. It has like just a little plastic razor because I don't need to take a better one. So that one's just a really cheap one. And then we have my vitamins in here. I actually just got these. These are the Care of vitamins, so you can personalize them and whatnot. And I have 3, one for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday morning, and a headband, and then just my makeup items here. And I actually have 10 cotton rounds here, so I didn't want them just flying around inside of here, so I wrapped them with some plastic wrap, and that's how I'm containing those. And then just the other makeup items here as regular. So that's that. And I have my Birkenstocks, the sandals, the wedge sandals. These are all of my underclothes, so like underwear and like sleeping clothes. Underneath that is just a super flat pair of sandals, which I'm really glad these can be condensed so tiny because they fit perfectly right underneath. And then my bag that I'm gonna have, that's underneath there. So the other wedges here. And that's it for this side. And I already showed you how I packed on this side, with just all of my clothing and my laundry bag. I was gonna take those white Vans over there, but then I decided that I don't need to because I'm actually going to wear these to the airport. These are just Steve Madden like wedges. They're sneaker wedges, but they're very comfortable, so they're definitely good enough to walk around in for an extended period of time. And that's it. That's everything. Much easier now that I've done it quite a few times now. And so I think that's it. Thanks guys so much for watching. This was a different kind of video. I haven't done this before. First time for everything. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a like if you like this kind of video as well. I kind of enjoy watching pack with me's just to see how everybody else packs. So also leave me a comment. Let me know if you're doing any traveling over the summer or anything that's coming up. I want to know where you guys are going. Say bye, Max. As usual, he doesn't want to say anything. Pretty quiet cat for the most part. So yeah, thanks guys again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.